So I like this better than before when it was going up and down. This looks more natural to me, and this does look like this character is genuinely more interested in this object. So I'm going to go with this flow. So as long as it has an arc, then it won't look bad. The only difference is, does it look more like this character is interested or not? And I had to make a judgment call, and this is what I did. So a lot of times animation is like this. It's not about a complete right or wrong. It's more about, does it make more sense to more people than not? So a good way of working is going with your gut feeling, making those changes, and then after you're done, make sure you verify by showing it to other people, teachers, peers, etc., etc. And if you have most people agreeing with you, then you're good. But if most people disagree with you, then there's probably something off and you need to adjust it. So just keep that in mind and do what you got to do, but make sure that the traits for these 9 key poses are there and that you're not missing out on any of it, because if you do, then the body mechanics will suffer and the quality will go down. As long as you keep those traits intact and you have creative freedom over what your character is doing, then you should be good.